Do you believe it's time to restore the balance and create a space where we coexist with nature rather than live against it? Then let's explore Whitewaters together, a serene farmhouse community just off Kanakpura Road where you can rediscover the charm of old Bengaluru while being surrounded by a lake, forest, and fresh farm produce. Trust us, it's the ideal place to rewind, reconnect, and rejuvenate. The project enjoys a strategic location just off Kanakpura Road, 10 minutes from the Sri Sri Ravi Shankar Art of Living Centre and Bannerghatta National Park, 15 minutes from Nice Road, 30 minutes from JP Nagar and Jayanagar, and about an hour from UB City.
Though rooted in nature, Whitewaters is strategically located in a well-connected neighborhood with essential urban conveniences close at hand. Whitewaters is envisioned as a sanctuary for mindful living, purposeful experiences, and a future rooted in sustainable design. Spread across 120 acres, nestled between a 150-acre natural lake and the Bannerghatta forest, this is a rare landscape where nature leads the plan. Every element here is designed to slow you down. Winding paths, scenic roads, and native greenery come together to engage the senses. With open views, birdsong, and quiet trails for walking or reflection, Whitewaters offers a rare kind of retreat. Calm, immersive, and deeply personal. The roads here don't rush you forward. They invite you to look around. Meandering pathways follow the natural landscape, guiding your gaze, softening your pace, and turning every journey into a moment of presence, much like a drive through the hills.
The farmhouses at Whitewaters are where architecture meets neuroscience, and every space is designed to promote well-being, clarity, and creativity. They feature multiple layers of sensory stimulation that have been designed throughout the space, along with earthy elements being incorporated. Each farmhouse comes with a private pool.
At Whitewaters, you're not placed above nature, you're part of it. Every tree, every bird, every quiet moment reminds you to slow down and live with greater awareness. The lake isn't built for noise or activity, but for stillness, reflection, and watching the sky change color. Beyond the privacy of each farmhouse, Whitewaters extends into shared spaces designed for community. Thoughtfully placed amenities create opportunities to gather, unwind, and connect, making everyday living both convenient and enriching.
If you have always dreamt of residing in a luxurious farmhouse and wish to trade the city life for a more serene lifestyle in the lap of nature, but also within easy reach of the city, Whitewaters offers the perfect balance. The thoughtfully curated spaces in and around the project, the attention to detail while ensuring a calm and mindful lifestyle, and the host of amenities make it a compelling project worth exploring.